Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this three bars icon in the left side in this in this configuration, and here the second bar is connected with the timer. So we've got off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option which you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is now highlighted. Moreover, we've got the information inside the shutter button that we've got the timer set, which is a nice touch. Alright, so let's simply tap on it, and now your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, and of course you can turn it off in the same way. Just tap on the three bars icon and tap on off, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.